Today is the day we're gonna get metal up there. It's Jay's favorite thing. He loves putting metal on these roofs. He dreams about it and asks me what other buildings I can think of to build so he can get up on steep roofs, on high areas.
And risk my life.
Yep. He asks me like every morning, what can I build next?
I saw some comments like, how many buildings do you need? Why are you building stuff? Well, what else are we supposed to do?
Yeah.
You just go off grid, just sit in the woods and twiddle your thumbs? No. We refuse.
This is going to be so nice because it gets really hot in the cabin when we're cooking. And we'll be able to cook out here all the time when it's roofed. It'll be nice.
Yeah, if we have enough counter space and maybe we could do a little sink. We can just prep food out here and hang out.
It'll be nice.
Not go in and out of the house 100 times when I have to check the grill and
check
everything.
Yeah.
Check the food on the grill. So anyway, let's stop talking and let's just put metal up.
Guess what color we're going with?
Emerald green, Pro Rib from the green store.
Looks pretty good though, doesn't it, guys? Appreciate this, how it looks. And we're gonna get her done. You handle that with such ease.
Only weighs like 20 pounds.
It's just awkward. So I'm going to hand them up and you're going to slide them over, right? Because you're going to do...
Yep. Alright, I got it.
Okay. Just let me know when
Get out of the way. When you let go of it, get out of the way.
Okay.
So if it slides or falls, it doesn't slice your head off.
Jay's favoriteest part's coming up, guys.
My feet stick to the metal, then I'm good. If they don't, I think I'd rather try to walk up this than...
Be careful.
Problem is you know what? This is 12 foot, I only got a 10-foot chunk. So I'll probably just do this last piece when we do the front pieces.
Do you want me to see if there's a piece back behind the pole barn?
Yeah, but I don't know if I have to take it off to put this on anyway, but you could hand me that and yeah, you can go look for it.
Okay.
I know there's a piece back there.
Alright. You ready for it?
Yep. Got it.
Okay. That is behind the pole barn. You just finished. You just finished metal roofing. What are you gonna do next?
Take a nap. Eat dinner and take a nap.
Kind of like, you just won the Super Bowl. What are you gonna do next? I'm going to Disney World. You're so lucky that you have me. And my comedic skills here.
I agree. I'm lucky I have you, but I don't think it's for that reason. But all right. All right, guys. I'm going to take a break and we'll showcase it to you in a little bit. We'll do a wrap up when I'm a little more, put together. Might be waiting a while.
All right, guys.
Are you on me or you?
On you right now.
Oh.
Greenhouse update. Y'all have been asking.
Yeah.
And
Jen just said we're doing a greenhouse update.
So we have our butterflies in here. Almost every single one is a chrysalis now. We have a ton of chrysalises in here. Will all become monarchs.
A few caterpillars that are still stragglers, but they're, eating milkweed and carrying on. So look at this. We got some happy mail. We got a bonsai kit and an ultimate butterfly kit from Stephen Hawk.
Yep, and we have new butterfly larvae coming in like 2 weeks.
Yeah, so we'll probably use that for this. And we're going to plant some bonsais and check that out.
Yep, we're going to plant that
we'll
after.
We'll be doing that in a couple weeks because we want to make sure we can tend to them. Or we'll be doing that pretty soon because we're going on a trip, so we don't want to start before our trip. But we'll probably be starting that in August. Check that out. But look at this. I was just watching Jen look at the tomatoes, and look how big they are. Like, I've been in here, but I kind of lost track of how large they are. Look how crazy.
This is why we built the greenhouse as big as we did, guys.
Yeah.
Everyone was like, why are you building it so big?
I mean, those are 8 feet tall. They're like 1.5 feet off the ground, of course, but look at Jen. I'll show you Jen. Look how crazy.
They're huge. It's awesome. We're going to have some really great tomatoes from these.
Some of these are early girls. There's some on here.
Which means
There's some bigger ones back there. I keep putting my finger in front of the lens.
That there's bees get in here because you all were worried about the bees getting in here, and there have been lots of bugs in here. We've got 1, 2, 3.
So far, we're good.
We have 5 tomatoes so far, so that's pretty exciting. I know you guys think that's probably crazy, but 5 is good. It's an upward number.
That means they're getting pollinated.
Yes.
But look at these cucumber leaves.
They're huge.
They're like
bigger than
way
our palm.
bigger than my hand, which
hopefully that means a good thing, right?
Yeah. I mean, the energy is going to those just to start producing cucumbers. And there's lots of flowers. Lots of flowers to be pollinated.
And my little mini herb garden's doing good. I got some basil and some dill, and I think this was cilantro.
That's definitely cilantro right there.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know. It said it was some sort of basil. Got lots of pretty flowers over here that I planted. So over here in the corner, we're going to have some beautiful flowers.
Jen's got her baskets up here that are still growing.
Those are doing really good. We
Those
got
are
like switch them
starting to
out.
take off a little bit. So.
Then there's everybody's favorite chocolate lab.
There's this guy.
What? What? Come here. Oh my goodness, what? You are so needy.
It's very warm in here, so let's and these are different.
Tomatoes.
What are these, Romas?
I
feel like these 3 are Romas.
And these, we have little ones on here too, so
Do
that's
we?
good.
That's good.
And then I've got radishes for my dad.
And some more radishes over here.
Yep. And then we've got a surprise plant.
Cucumbers growing over here. Cucumbers.
Mike,
Cosmos.
this is
carrots. So garden's doing good, guys. I just want to give you a little update. I cannot believe that we have 8-foot tall tomato plants
They're
back
probably
there.
as tall as the roof.
No, they're already they're a foot away. So we'll probably have to string them. We'll have to put new strings over here to the taller part. So next year we'll have to put them over there.
So that's a good thing. We got 13 feet tall over here.
So cool,
good problem to have.
Yeah, everything's doing good. The garden outside is doing good, but not as fast because it hasn't gotten quite the good soil that it has in here, and the heat and the extra love.
Yes.
Other than Jenny's tomato, egg tomatoes, those are doing really good. You know, hope you guys enjoy this little update.
Everyone's been asking. We've seen it on Facebook in the comments, so I just wanted to make sure we updated you guys all.
Yeah. Always trying to make sure everybody's getting what they want, right?
Yep.
All right.
And it's fun to know without making it a whole part of the video.
So, all right, guys. We'll see you in a little bit. There you go. Mom takes good care of the puppies.
There you go. Timber wastes no time. Getting comfy and cozy.